Congratulations, you finished your essay. What do you do with it now? It depends. Is this something that you want to put out in the world or isn't it? That's the very first question you have to ask yourself. We've just gone through this whole process and you've hopefully written something that you really like, or at the very least, you think you can do something with. But that doesn't necessarily mean that what you want to do with it is put it out into the world and have it be a public piece of your career or of your legacy. That's totally fine if that's the case. If you decide you don't want to share it, fine. That's totally okay. Writing doesn't have to be for the world. Sometimes it's just for you. But if you're like me and you definitely want to write things that go out into the world and connect with people that way, you have to decide again how you want to do that. Do you want to write something for a blog? Do you want to write something for a literary site that's small but publishes the kind of thing that you write really well? Or do you want to play with it? Do you want to be edited heavily? What do you want? Once you know what you want to do with the essay, you can start doing your research about which publications do those things well. Some publications are going to have editors that edit you hard. Other publications are going to have editors who want something to come to them pretty well done that they can do some light edits on. Figure out who does what at which publications, and then think about the right place for whatever you've just written. Not every place is going to want a long form essay. Not every place is going to want something that's really short. Once you know where you want this essay to go, do a little more research. Don't ever send it to the first place that asks, and don't ever send it to the first place you think of. Do a little research. And once you think you've found the best match for your work and a publisher, send it on and send it with courage.